Welcome to the House Lux Estate channel, your premier destination for all things health, technology, and lifestyle. Here at House Lux Estate, we're passionate about exploring the intersection of health and technology to empower you to live a healthier, more informed lifestyle. Our mission is to bring you the latest insights, tips, and strategies to navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of health tech. We're deeply committed to providing valuable information that can help you leverage the power of technology to take charge of your personal health and well-being. From wearables to wellness apps, from smart homes to AI, we cover everything you need to stay ahead of the curve. So whether you're a health enthusiast, a tech aficionado, or simply curious about how to live a healthier life, you're in the right place. Stay tuned for today's topic, which is an exciting and insightful look into how to use AI to monitor and improve personal health metrics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become a game changer in our everyday lives, especially in the health sector. But what exactly is AI? Derived from computer science, AI represents machines or software that mimic human intelligence. It's all about designing systems that can learn, reason, perceive, and process natural language, much like a human would. AI's relevance to personal health metrics is immense. Whether it's keeping track of your heart rate during a high-intensity workout or monitoring your sleep patterns, AI is there, making sense of all the data. It's like having a personal health assistant that never sleeps. AI can gather and interpret a vast amount of health data. For instance, wearable fitness trackers collect data on your steps, heart rate, sleep, and even stress levels. This data is then processed and interpreted by AI to provide insights into your overall health. It can tell you if you're getting enough exercise or if your stress levels are too high. It's not just about raw data, it's about making that data meaningful. But AI doesn't stop at gathering and interpreting data. It goes a step further by using this data to provide personalized health insights and recommendations. For instance, if the AI notices a consistent rise in your heart rate during sleep, it might suggest you consult a healthcare professional. Or if it notices you're not getting enough steps in during the day, it could prompt you to take a walk during your lunch break. AI makes health metrics personal. It takes the guesswork out of understanding your health and provides clear, actionable insights. It's not about replacing healthcare professionals, but rather complementing their expertise with data-driven insights. AI and health metrics are a match made in heaven. They combine to create a powerful tool for understanding and improving personal health. The more we understand our health metrics, the better we can manage our health. And with AI, we've got an intelligent assistant to guide us every step of the way. Now that we understand what AI is and its relevance to health metrics, let's delve into how to use it. Monitoring your health metrics is now as simple as checking your phone, thanks to AI. Imagine, all the complex health data you would need a team of professionals to interpret can now be easily understood with the help of artificial intelligence. Let's dive into how this works. AI can be utilized to monitor health metrics through various technologies and applications. Many of these are things you might already use or have heard of. Firstly, there are wearable devices. These gadgets, like smartwatches and fitness trackers, are more than just trendy accessories. They're equipped with sensors that collect a wealth of data, including your heart rate, oxygen levels, and even your sleep patterns. This data is then processed and interpreted by AI to give you insights about your health in real time. Then we have mobile apps. These are not your average apps, but sophisticated tools designed to monitor and interpret health data. From tracking your steps and calories burned to monitoring your menstrual cycle or blood sugar levels, these apps collect a wide range of health metrics. The AI algorithms within these apps can analyze trends, provide health alerts, and even offer personalized health advice. We also have more specialized devices, such as glucose monitors for diabetics or sleep apnea devices. These tools use AI to monitor specific health conditions, providing data that can be life-saving. Lastly, AI can even interact with electronic health records. By accessing and analyzing your medical history, AI can provide a more holistic view of your health, identifying potential risk factors or early signs of disease that may otherwise go unnoticed. All these technologies work together, creating a network of devices and applications that are constantly monitoring your health. The data collected can help you understand your body better, encourage a healthier lifestyle, and alert you to potential health issues before they become serious. With AI, it's like having a personal health assistant at your fingertips. But AI doesn't just monitor your health metrics, it can also help you improve them. Imagine a world where you have a personal wellness coach available at your fingertips 24/7, guiding you through every step of your health journey. This isn't a distant future fantasy, it's the reality we're living in today, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. AI has the ability to analyze an abundance of health data, from your heart rate and sleep patterns to your nutrition intake and physical activity. It doesn't stop at just gathering data. AI processes this information to provide personalized recommendations tailored specifically to you to help improve your health metrics. Let's say you're trying to lose weight. An AI-driven health app can take into account your current weight, height, age, and activity level to suggest a customized exercise regimen and dietary plan. It's like having a personal trainer and nutritionist all in one, conveniently in your pocket. Or perhaps you're struggling with stress management. AI can identify patterns in your heart rate and sleep cycles and suggest relaxation techniques or mindfulness exercises to help you manage your stress levels more effectively. AI isn't limited to physical health. It's also making strides in mental health care. By monitoring your mood and behavioral patterns, AI can detect signs of mental health issues such as depression or anxiety and provide resources or suggest professional help if needed. And the best part? AI learns from your habits and adapts over time. If you're not seeing results with a certain exercise routine, AI will adjust and provide new suggestions. It's a dynamic and responsive system that evolves with you. But remember, AI doesn't replace doctors or health professionals. It's a tool designed to supplement your healthcare, giving you the power to make informed decisions about your lifestyle. AI makes it easier than ever to take control of your health and make informed decisions about your lifestyle. The benefits of using AI to monitor and improve personal health metrics are immense, and the future looks bright. It brings the convenience of instant, effortless access to health data right at your fingertips. No longer do you need to schedule appointments and wait in long queues at the doctor's office. A quick check on your smart device and you know your health status. But it's not just about convenience. The accuracy of AI in monitoring health metrics is impressive. It can detect irregularities and patterns in your health data that may go unnoticed by the human eye. This accuracy allows for early detection of potential health issues, giving you a head start in addressing them. What's more, AI offers personalization like never before. It can analyze your unique health metrics and offer tailored advice to help you reach your health goals. Whether it's a custom workout plan or a personalized diet, AI has got you covered. Beyond monitoring and improvement, AI plays a crucial role in proactive health management. It can predict potential health risks based on your metrics and lifestyle, enabling you to take preventive measures. This proactive approach can lead to better health outcomes and improved quality of life. Now let's look into the future. The advancements in technology paint a promising picture for AI in personal health. We can expect more sophisticated health tracking devices, more accurate predictive algorithms, and a wider range of health metrics to monitor. The potential applications of AI in personal health are boundless. From managing chronic diseases to mental health monitoring, AI is set to revolutionize the way we manage our health. As we continue to embrace AI in our daily lives, our personal health management is set to become more efficient and effective. This exciting intersection of technology and health is not just about enhancing our lives today, but also about safeguarding our health for the future. The journey has just begun, and the destination is a healthier, happier you. That wraps up our discussion on using artificial intelligence to monitor and improve personal health metrics. We've explored the fascinating intersection of technology and health, understanding how AI can help us keep track of our health metrics. We've seen how it can provide real-time updates, personalized insights, and actionable recommendations for improvement. We dove into the ways AI can enhance our health, from catching potential issues early to helping us make better lifestyle choices. We emphasize the benefits of AI in personal health, such as its convenience, accuracy, and how it can empower us to take control of our health. Looking into the future, we envisioned a world where AI and personal health are intertwined, leading to better health outcomes and overall well-being. Harnessing AI for personal health isn't just a trend, it's a revolution that's here to stay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the HouseLux Estate channel for more insights on health, technology, and lifestyle. Here's to a healthier, tech-savvy you.